Now, good morning, students. Now, today I will continue the simple past tense. As all of you know, simple past tense, second form of verb is used. Second form of verb is used in simple past tense. Okay, and for example, we ran. Run is the first form and ran is the second form. He ran. Okay. In the negative sentence, we can use helping verb did not and base form. Base form is first form. In affirmative sentence, we have used second form, and in negative and interrogative, we have to use did not as a helping verb, and first form of base form is the first form of verb we will use. For example, we did not run. He did not run. So in the negative sentences, we have to use first form with the helping verb did. We did not run. He did not run. And in the same way, the interrogative sentences are formed with did. As you know, did is the helping verb, so we have to use first of all did, helping verb, and after that subject. Helping verb is always used before subject, so we will use first of all did, then subject, then base form. Base form is first form of verb in the interrogative sentences, and example is did the boys run. Did the boy run or did the boys run, and question mark is must in the interrogative sentences. And if there is a negative and interrogative sentence, then it is formed with did, as did is the helping verb, so we will first use the did, and then subject. Before the subject we use helping verb, and in this tense helping verb is did, then subject, then not is used before it is negative also, and the first form of verb. Base form is first form of verb. So in this way we will use, and example of this negative interrogative is did the boys not run. Interrogative because we have used first did, and negative because we have used not also. So in this way we will use the form of verb. In affirmative sentence we will use second form, but if there is negative interrogative or interrogative negative, we will use did plus not. Okay, did plus subject plus first form, did plus subject plus not plus first form. So in this way we will use simple past form. And what is the use? How can we use the use of the simple past tense? The simple past tense is used to express a habitual or regular action in the past. Okay, पास्ट में जो रेगुलर एक्शन होता था या फिर हैबिचुअल एक्शन या रेगुलर एक्शन. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, ही बॉट मी फ्लावर्स एवरी मॉर्निंग, यानी कि एवरी मॉर्निंग वो मेरे लिए फ्लावर्स लाता था, यानी कि पास्ट की एक्टिविटी है. सो वी विल यूज सेकेंड फॉर्म. माई फादर टॉट मी इन द इवनिंग, मेरे फादर इवनिंग में मुझे पढ़ाते थे, यानी कि पास्ट एक्टिविटी है, रेगुलर एक्टिविटी होती थी, तो इसलिए दिस इज़ सेकेंड फॉर्म. वी विल यूज टू एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन विच ऑक्यूपाइड अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इन द पास्ट विच इज़ नाउ एंडेड. और कोई भी ऐसा एक्शन जो पास्ट में एक टाइम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में ऑक्यूपाई होता था बट नाउ इज़ एंडेड, लेकिन अब वो नहीं होता है, अब फिनिश हो गया है. जैसे